Welcome to Cinema Pattyn. Come in and have a seat. Now, I can hear you thinking, what are those two doing at a cinema? Well, that has to do with our grandfather, Jean. In 1952, he worked as a cinema installer. Barco didn't exist yet. He installed Italian projectors. But he still had to invent a lot himself as well. Jean was a real inventor. Try to say cinema 10 times in a row very quickly. It starts to sound like machine, right? In that way, without even realizing it, after automating a few Pretzi Blitzens for the Catty Candy Company, he'd made an automated weighing machine. Those people were delighted with it and even wrote a letter to thank us. That's the way our dad was brought up at the Oude Gentweg, surrounded by all kinds of candy. You know the saying about the apple in the tree? It started with Meccano and helping out at the workshop. Later, he tinkered with mopeds, and with that moped, he won our mother over. And he had to promise he would never start a business. Well, he kept that promise for exactly 4 weeks. Obviously, it was in his genes. And it was much more than just filling bags. That same year, 1976, Lotus came knocking, asking for a machine that was able to put bags in boxes. And it worked. They quickly found a suitable name for it. And for the next machine, which had to work even faster. It was very easy back then. Just add Rapid to the name. Who would have thought that a bag packing machine would travel the world? Dad went everywhere, like a real adventurer. Fortunately, he spoke a few languages, and when English, Dutch, German or French didn't work, he'd act it out. All of our machines can be acted out, even with the right sounds. And we've got quite a few by now. Machines to set up boxes, to close bags, in all kinds of ways. If he couldn't find a solution straight away, he'd keep searching. His passion for engineering was contagious. Today, we're still building, but the work is more precise. However, everything is still handmade and very specialized. Machines to package chocolate pastries, fish, almonds, margarine, spinach, you name it, we box it. Thanks to our clients, we can grow. And grow we do. We have a staff of 300 now. Every one of them is just as passionate and just as mad. Mad about machines. And Dad? Mechanics, electronics, pneumatics. He still thinks it's fantastic. If we could no longer take pride in our machines, well, we'd have to quit.